Hello, you're welcome to AppFix and In. In this video tutorial, I'm going to simply show you how to restore missing chat history in your Messenger. So let's say you actually switch to a new device and you're not seeing your chat history on your Messenger app, or you just suddenly stop seeing it and you want to fix that. This video is actually for you. But before that, hit the subscribe button and notification bell. It's really going to help. So right here, the first step you need to take is to go to your Messenger like this. Then the next step you need to take here is to go ahead and click on the menu icon at the bottom of the screen. Right here, you need to go ahead and click on settings. You can see that right here. So the next step you need to take is to scroll and click on privacy and safety. You can see that right here. Then go ahead and scroll down gently. So right here, you need to go ahead and click on end-to-end encrypted chats. Now this is the reason why the chat history is actually missing. Now what this actually does is that it prevents your chat history to appear on a new device. So in order for you to actually fix this, you need to come right here and click on message storage. You can see that right here. Go ahead and click on message storage like this. Then the next step you need to take is to come right here at the bottom and click on turn off secure storage. Go ahead and click on that and turn it off like this. Once you do that, you need to come right here as well and click on delete secure storage and click on continue. So this is actually going to help you to restore your missing chat history in your Messenger app. Hope you found this video helpful. Now like this video, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more helpful tips like this. See you in the next one.